everyone, I'm Hayley and I'm the creative content maker at Cosy Owl. Cosy Owl is an online craft supplier based in the UK. We specialise in quality supplies from candle, wax melt, soap making products and so much more. On this channel you'll find a variety of videos for all skill levels, including our beginners candle making tutorials and soap making tips and tricks. Whether you're new to craft or you want to start up your own business, we have something for everyone. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to find our latest craft videos, and don't forget to follow us on our social channels including Instagram and Facebook to see what we've been up to, and don't forget to tag us in your photos too. Happy crafting!